How to withdraw money from GrabPay Wallet. First of all, open your Grab app and log into your account. From the home screen, tap on the payment option to access your GrabPay wallet. Then select the transfer option if you want to withdraw your balance to your personal bank account. If it's your first time, you'll need to add the bank account by entering your account number, bank name, and account holder's name. Once added, it will be saved for future transfers. After that, choose your bank account from the list, enter the amount you want to withdraw, and review all the details carefully. Make sure you meet the minimum withdrawal amount. Once everything looks good, tap Confirm or Transfer. You may be asked to enter your PIN or use biometric security. The amount will be transferred and usually appears in your bank account within 1 to 3 business days. You can also withdraw money using the Scan to Pay or Send option by transferring to your own QR code. Just select your contact, enter the amount, and confirm the transaction. And that's it. Now you know how to withdraw money from GrabPay Wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.